Hello everyone! In this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to create an easy, carefree, messy bun. Start off by smoothing the hair upwards using your fingers. Twist the hair into a bun and tie this not too tightly with an hair elastic. Now the fun part begins. Gently pull the bun apart to give it a textured undone look. For a less smooth look, use your fingers to pull some hair out for a messier appearance. While doing this, keep the bun in place with your other hand. Pull some hair out for a softer appearance. And voila! Your look is finished. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye!